Hi guys, it's me hajra.vadhariya. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I am creating one of the looks that I love, and I totally love how Kareena Kapoor Khan carries this kind of makeup all the time, like almost like she plays around with such looks only, smoky and all of that. I love it. I go through her Instagram and I totally love it. So recently one of her songs got really famous. Just I came across this look which got really viral as well. I loved that look, and I thought that I have to recreate this. So I have recreated the entire look, by the way, on my face, but I cannot show it to you guys. But let's focus on the eyes. So if you guys want to learn how to achieve this stunning eye makeup, it's simple, a little bit technical, you know, but it's still not very difficult. Every one of you guys can achieve this and rock it. Trust me, it's amazing and it looks stunning on almost every eye shape. So I absolutely love these. It's better that you wear some colored lenses. It looks much prettier with that. So if you want to learn how I achieve this look, then you have to keep on watching. And if you like it, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below how you found this look, and if you want me to do any other inspired looks or anything in general. Also subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And that's not it. You have to follow me on my Instagram, okay? You have to follow me on my Instagram. It's not happening without that. So that is about it. Without any further ado, let's learn and let's create this gorgeous look. Okay guys, so let's start with our eyebrows. So I'm using Cabra from Benefit, and I'll quickly shape and fill in my brows. So if you see, Kareena has more like squared, sharp, very edgy brows for this look. So that's what I'm trying to achieve, but I also would maintain my natural shape as well, side by side. बहुत ही weird लगती हैं अगर आप बहुत fake look दो. I don't personally like it. So I'm trying to achieve the same look on my own brow. That's what I'll call it. So yeah, so for now I'm just shaping it like that, and then later I'll use a brow pencil. So yeah, that's that. And the pencil I'm using is from ELF, and it's the shade brown, I guess. So these two work really nice for me. So we are done with the eyebrows, as you can see. Now I'll just carve out my brows using Maybelline Age Rewind का concealer, और साथ मैं अपनी eyeshadow base भी बना लूँगी using this concealer only. So I'm using this smudge brush from Beautify by Amna, and I'm carving at my brows from the top, and also side by side I'll make my eyeshadow base. Next I'm using Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, और इसमें जो bone shade है, इससे मैं अपनी पूरी lid को till my brow bone, I'm gonna set all of this using this shade, और इससे बहुत bright भी हो जाएगी eye और set हो जाएगा सारा concealer, so everything will be very easy to blend, and also colors will show up nicely. Now I'm using an angled brush again from Beautify by Amna, और इससे हम करेंगे हमारा main जो चीज़ है वो, which is the smoky liner. और आप चाहें तो अपनी क्रीज पहले कर सकते हैं फिर लाइनर करें, और चाहें तो पहले लाइनर करके क्रीज कर लें. सो आई एम जस्ट डूइंग द लाइनर फर्स्ट. सो अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, ब्लैक आई शेडो लिया है मैंने सेम पैलेट से, और मैं हल्के से लाइन कर रही हूँ. अब ये वाला पार्ट अगर थोड़ा डर्टी भी हो तो इट्स नॉट एन इशू, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू डू नॉट विंग इट आउट फॉर दिस लुक, बिकॉज करीना ने कुछ विंग नहीं किया हुआ है. बट द अपर वी एंड द लोअर lash line वो मिल रहे हैं. It's shaping a V outside, so make sure that you blend both of them together like that. But there shouldn't be, you know, a harsh wing. So I'm making sure कि वो ना लगे, blended smoky look आए. So I'm doing that on the lower lash line and the upper lash line, both. And I'm also blending side by side. Next, I'm using NARS की black pencil. This is an amazing pencil. It's actually my bhabhi's, and it's amazing. I loved it. Very creamy. So now I'm putting it in my waterline, lower waterline, upper waterline, and also where I would usually do my liner, and also lower lash line. तो जहाँ पर black लगाया है eyeshadow उसके ऊपर भी, और additionally upper and lower waterline में भी लगा रही हूँ. और फिर मैं eyeshadow और pencil को साथ में blend करूँगी. I'm using a pencil brush और ब्लेंड करने के लिए मैं एक डार्क ब्राउन शेड यूज़ करूँगी ताकि ग्रेडियंट सा ब्लेंडेड स्मोकी इफेक्ट आए. सो डार्क ब्राउन शेड लेके मैं अपनी लोअर लैश लाइन और अपर लैश लाइन जहाँ पर हम लाइनर लगाते हैं उसे ब्लेंड करूँगी. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ and making sure everything look very blended, no harsh line, everything is gradient and smoky. This is all that you need to do. This is a very easy and quick look, trust me. Next we are taking a blending brush and I'm using this transition color और इससे मैं एक और दफ़ा पूरा इसको blend करूँगी because I didn't wanted it to look like tattoo or very bad kajal application, so everything should be very blended and smoky. Now I'm using these two other shades to make up my crease, as I have said previously as well. आप चाहें तो पहले से ही ये स्टेप कर सकते हैं और फिर लाइनर पे आएँ, और चाहें तो जैसे मैंने किया है पहले लाइनर और फिर क्रीज का टास्क आप बाद में कर सकते हैं. सो या दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, जस्ट शेपिंग माई क्रीज. इससे आई का शेप बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा और एवरीथिंग विल लुक फ्लॉलेस. एंड at last we are trying to achieve Kareena's look. So yeah, that's that. I absolutely love this liner. Now I'm curling my lashes as Kareena is not wearing any false lashes, so I will just curl my lashes nicely and then we'll put thick coat of mascara. This mascara is from Tarte. And guys, this is a very easy and quick look and looks classy. So for such looks and almost all kind of eyeshadow looks, I like to do my eyes first and then move on towards the base because बहुत ज़्यादा गंदगी हो जाती है, especially when you use matte blacks and do such smoky looks. So अब मैं क्या करूँगी, beautify bbamna की वाइप से अपना पूरा face clean up करूँगी and I'll do face makeup off camera. So here is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love this look as much as I love it because I'm going crazy of how stunning my eyes look at this moment. I tried my level best to achieve the similar look.